Lvylov soft fuzzy faux fur throw blanket 50 inches by 60 inches, thick warm fluffy plush blankets and throws, comfy cozy shaggy furry blankets for couch slash bed slash sofa, decorative chic accent, machine washable, black. Thick and fluffy and cozy, Lvylov fluffy throw blankets are made with double layer TOONOW faux fur luxury throw blanket, double side soft fluffy shaggy fuzzy blanket for couch sofa bed, 51 by 67, black. This throw blanket made of 100% polyester. We increase the density of the hair and use finer faux fur, so it brings you softer and more fluffy feelings than other furry blanket. JONIYEAR extra 2.8 inches long hair fluffy faux fur throw blanket 50 inches by 60 inches, luxury soft decorative fuzzy furry blanket for couch, cozy plush shaggy blankets for sofa bed, cutie lovely blanket for pet, white. Born for furry fanatics, the only theme of these luxury decorative fluffy faux fur throw blankets is unique craftsmanship of fuzzy furry. Double side blanket design. Both sides of this blanket are using the same high quality plush faux fur fabric. You will no longer take your time to figure out which side is the fuzzy side when you feel cold. Fabric. That lovely soft 1.5-inch faux fur and skin-friendly velvet fleece reverse are seamlessly sewed together with durable seam. Tightly woven faux fur makes the throw blanket thicker and more fluffy than others. Standard 100 Bio-Tex certified.